you ready to improve your English through a story full of wisdom, loss, and strength? Welcome to my newest channel, Sarah English Teacher. In this video, we will practice sharing and listening skill through the powerful story of early life of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Pauses and no repeats, just smooth and slow English that helps your English very well. So let's begin it now.
The story begins. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in the year 570 in the city of Mecca, which is now part of modern-day Saudi Arabia. Mecca was a busy city at the time, filled with travelers, merchants, and people from many different tribes. It was a center of trade and also of religious practice. Prophet Muhammad was born into a respected tribe called Quraysh. His family was well known, but they were not rich. His father, Abdullah, died before Prophet Muhammad was even born. So he entered the world without knowing his father, and just a few years later, when he was only 6 years old, his mother, Amina, also passed away. Prophet Muhammad became an orphan at a very young age. He experienced loss and sadness early in life. First, he was raised by his loving grandfather, Abdul Muttalib. His grandfather cared deeply for him and saw something special in him. But 2 years later, when Prophet Muhammad was only 8 years old, his grandfather passed away too. After that, Prophet Muhammad was taken into the care of his uncle, Abu Talib. Abu Talib was not a wealthy man, but he protected and loved Prophet Muhammad like his own son. He made sure Prophet Muhammad was looked after and treated with respect. Even as a child, Prophet Muhammad was different. He was calm, gentle, and honest. People around him noticed that he did not lie, steal, or fight. He treated others with kindness and he stayed away from the bad customs of the time. In Mecca, many people worshipped idols and society was filled with unfair practices, but Prophet Muhammad always followed his conscience. He was thoughtful, observant, and careful with his words. These qualities made people trust him. Growing up with integrity. As he grew older, Prophet Muhammad began working as a shepherd taking care of sheep and goats. His job taught him patience, responsibility, and humility. Later, he became involved in trade. He traveled with caravans and learned how to do business honestly. People gave him the nickname Al-Amin, which means the trustworthy. They knew that he was fair in business and honest in speech. He never cheated anyone. He was a man of integrity. At the time, Meccan society was divided by class, wealth, and power. But Prophet Muhammad always stood on the side of justice. He was generous to the poor, respectful to women, and compassionate towards animals. He helped people quietly, without seeking praise or attention. He liked to spend time alone. thinking deeply about life. He would often go to the mountains around Mecca, especially to a cave called Hira. There he would sit in silence, reflect on the world, and pray to the one true God even before he received any revelation. A foundation for the future. Prophet Muhammad's early life, filled with pain, patience, honesty, and deep thought, prepared him for the great responsibility he would carry later. His experiences made him humble, his losses made him gentle, and his truthfulness made him respected. Before he became a prophet, he was already someone people trust. And when his mission began, those who knew him best, his wife Khadija, his cousin Ali, and his closest friends, believed in him because they had seen his character for many years. This beginning, full of challenge and growth, is what made Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, not just a great man of history, but a timeless example of strong character, deep humility, and true leadership. Now it's time to practice the vocabulary quiz. You will get 3 seconds to think about the answer. Number 1. Orphan. A. A traveler. B. A child without parents. C. A leader of a group. Number 2. Prophet. A. A rich person. B. A teacher of science. C. A messenger chosen by God. 3. Tribe. A small village. B. A group or related families. C. A school group. Number 4. Honest. A. Always tells the truth. B. Talks too much. C. Sings loudly. Number 5. Integrity. A. A job title. B. Strong moral values. C. A type of food. Number 6. Compassionate. A. Kind and caring to others. B. Someone who argues a lot. C. Fast and angry. Number 7. Grandfather. A. Your father's or mother's father. B. A sports coach. C. A friend from work. Number 8. Merchant. A. A person who sells goods. B. A taxi driver. C. A soldier. Number 9. Reflect. A. To shout loudly. B. To think deeply or quietly. C. To sleep all day. Number 10. Respect. A. Being loud. B. Being rude. C. Showing care and politeness. Number 11. Humble. A. Very proud of success. B. Quiet and not thinking you are better than others. C. Angry or rude. Number 12. Character. A. The way a person acts and thinks. B. A cartoon animal. C. A school subject. Number 13. Revelation. A. A surprise party. B. A message from God. C. A big problem. 14. Shepherd. A. A person who watches over sheep. B. A teacher. C. A soldier. 15. Conscience. A. A map. B. A strong feeling of right and wrong. C. A kind of many. Number 16. Justice. A. Fair treatment for all. B. A group of friends. C. A noisy street. Number 17. Worship. A. Clean the floor. B. Show love and respect to God. C. Work in a store. 18. Loss. A. A big meal. B. A funny joke. C. The state of losing something or someone. 19. Trustworthy. A. Easy to trick. B. Someone you can depend on. C. A person who runs fast. 20. Mission. A. A short story. B. A special job or duty. C. A type of meal. How many quizzes are you correct on? Please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. It's free and easy. If you got something from this video, please share this video with your friends and family. Bye. See you in the next video.